Hey guys, welcome to my very first vlog. I'm gonna show you how I go from an idea and make it into something physical using my CNC router machine. If you don't know, my name is Justin and I am the owner of JusBPrintin Custom Signs. And the first thing that I normally do is I start at my computer over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna zip right into my computer screen and I'll show you my first step.
Okay, so here we are. We are actually in a program called Inkscape, which is like a free open source Adobe Illustrator. So what I did was I took an outline of the New Jersey state, because I do live in New Jersey. And what I wanted to do was kind of take a font and actually fit it inside of the outline of the state, as you see here. So I took each letter and kind of like stretched, skewed. I wanted to cut this out in wood. I thought it would be a cool gift. So after I did that here, I exported it as an SVG into this program, which is actually called Vectric VCarve Pro. And this program is used to create toolpaths for my CNC. So this is what it should look like when it's done cutting. I wanted the letters to pop out just like that. I didn't just want to push them in. And I think this looks pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cut this out. I have all my toolpaths right here, and yeah, and see how it turns out.
Okay guys, looks like it is all done and it came out really nice. I'm gonna take these out and we're gonna see what these actually look like. All right, so I just took these off. I think these came out really good. Just looking at that initial graphic that I actually designed on my computer, and this is how they came out. These are actually a really nice size. Got kind of messed up on the back, but that could be fixed once it's all sanded and rounded over. Guys, this came out great for a first project. Check that out. New Jersey in the state line, in the shape of New Jersey. What do you guys think I should do? Do you think I should paint these or should I just finish them and leave them like this? Please leave comments and let me know. This is the first vlog, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.